Fantem Technologies Shenzhen Co. Limited was founded in 2011. This joint venture between Aeon Lab and Yitoa Intelligent Control Co. Limited combines the advanced technologies from an American Silicon Valley firm with the advantages of a Chinese public company. We specializes in the research and development, production and sales of smart home products for the global market. With 7 years of experience in Z-Wave wireless transmission development and manufacturing, we've built a solid foundation for future growth in the growing industry of smart home. Now with over 100 patents, we continue to grow and innovate as industry demands change. With an annual output of more than 1 million smart home product sets, we are already established as a versatile manufacturer in the smart home space, and we're ready to take advantage of upcoming market shifts. Fantem serves dozens of international markets and holds certifications for all products. These include light, humidity, air quality, motion, vibration, and UV light sensors, as well as bulbs, switches, sirens, repeaters, plugs, door sensors, window sensors, LED color strips, wireless switches, motor controllers, and IR blasters. We are ISO 9001 certified and look forward to growing our business with you.